Although at first I might seem complete, hundreds of beings make up the real me. People with whom I can simply exist, start at the core and end at my wrist. Genius or foolish idea, they will make it work. Each of them one of a kind and simply berserk. This gang is a family met in high school days, but my blood-bound folks still run through my veins. Grandparents, stubborn and modest, are my guiding light, wary of the past, but shining with hope in the darkest night. I have my mother's senses, my father's strong legs, and my sister's laughter bouncing around my chest. All the pretty boys, silly as they were, though they hurt me so, I think I still care. Squeezed under the stitches on my beating heart, they too have become a substantial part. Brothers and sisters of the trail, my wandering souls, they all taught me a lesson, and as far as that goes, telling tales, sharing meals, even singing blues, are the skin on my arms, my funky tattoos. But what would life be without a sliver of chance? Like that one girl who told me I shine when I dance. Or the teacher who woke up the pilgrim in me. The ticket controller refusing my plea. An old sailor who offered to buy me a boat. Or a wee girl who climbed trees higher than the boys. And my dog Waffle, who came hungry, looking for love, and gave me so much more than anyone above. All those good and bad things make up who I am, and though I seem finished, this is not the end.